Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this hydraulic bottle jack from Ultimate Speed with a maximum load 5000 kg. We have a raised stem for a more secure grip, safety valve against overloading, cast iron base for a secure stand. With a maximum length 36 cm. 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. It is heavy. Do not adjust, okay? Flat base, support plate, the extension screw, that is the maximum, 18.5 without the screw and 36 cm with the screw, it is the length. We have the lifting handle socket here, the safety valve and the release valve. The lifting handle goes here, lock. That goes inside and it locks. And this one here. And start pumping. And that is the maximum. 19.5 cm and total 37 cm. Okay, let's remove that. Release the valve. Okay. Nice. It is a small hydraulic bottle jack, space saving, with these 3 parts. So let's move on at my car and test it. Built with a steel body and wide base to ensure stability during lifting, compact and portable, making it easy to transport and store. Capable of lifting up to 5000 kg, making it ideal for larger vehicles like SUVs, trucks and vans. Great for both professional and DIY mechanics who need a dependable lifting solution for heavy-duty applications. Its hydraulic mechanism allows for smooth, easy lifting with minimal effort, reducing strain compared to manual jacks. Equip it with release valve to control the descent speed, which provides an additional layer of safety. The jack offers a minimum height and extends to a maximum height, providing flexibility for different lifting needs and clear access to the underside of vehicles. This hydraulic bottle jack is an excellent tool for anyone needing a reliable, heavy-duty jack for lifting larger vehicles. Its combination of strength, portability and easy operation makes it a solid choice for automotive repairs and roadside assistance. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, keep lifting, and I'll catch you in the next video.